If you want to see how I made this cute coffee mug, stay tuned. So I'm working with some transfer tape and a vinyl decal that I purchased from Etsy. I got the transfer tape from Amazon. You want to make sure that the vinyl decal is adhering 100% to the transfer tape. So after a bit of a little struggle that I had going on with the decal and the transfer tape, I finally was able to successfully pull the backing off of the decal before I placed it on my cup. As you can see, I was having a little bit of a tough time getting this decal on this cup, but I finally got it. Once I did that, I pressed it out as smooth as I could, as smooth as I could possibly get it. Like, it was a little difficult, but I pulled the transfer tape off, and you can see I'm cursing that transfer tape out because it was super hard. I did not like it, but it got the job done. So here I'm just trying to smooth out some bubbles and some lines that I had. I attempted to peel the decal off and try to get it straighter than it was, but I wasn't so successful. So I just did what I had to do. This was my first time, and for the first time I figured, I just go ahead and rock out with it because I'm probably not going to give it to anyone. It's probably going to be for me. So I purchased some E6000 for beads and jewels from Walmart, and I'm starting at the bottom in the corner, and I apply a little bit because I was a little unsure of how much was going to come out. But I picked up my pearl. I bought that bead and jewel grabber from Amazon. It's sticky on one side and a little pointy on the other. It's plastic. I don't think I'd work with it again. I definitely need to purchase another one, a better one. But after you place that E6000 on there, then you just start adding your beads, your pearls or rhinestones or whatever stone you're working with, and you just keep going. so I'm just about done. I completed most of it off camera because I had to stop, get my glasses, get something to drink, all that. But for the most part, I love the way it came out. It was harder than I thought it was gonna be for my first time, and that's probably because I didn't have like the right bead or jewel grabber. That transfer tape was a little difficult to work with, but all in all, I love the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and come back again. I'll have another project soon.